Hi, this is a schematic which has small circuit of regulators, and you can see that all the sections are just replication of one section. In a schematic there are multiple times there are few schematic sections which are totally replicate of one another. Just only few capacitors or values of capacitors are different. In Allegro there is facility that if there is any replication section, so only one section you need to place and route, rest all section will be placed and routed automatically. How can we do it? In Allegro, if you go for open and drop down, there is name brd dot mdd and dra. Apart from, so in module definition you can use this facility. Module definition is just like replication of any particular section. So you can see that the first section of schematic, this one I have already placed and routed. So how can I make it as a module and how I can apply in these all sections to make it automatically placed and routed? So just go in placement mode, placement edit mode, click it, select all the sections. Now right click here, place replicate option is there, click here. Now select a particular point to snap. I'm selecting as now done. Just click any point. It will ask the name. I'm giving the name replicate 2. Replicate 1 is already there. So I'm going with replicate 2. I have saved it. Now select all the parts, the whole section, and right click. Go for place replicate apply. Here you can see that two options are there, replicate 1 and 2. So as we know that mine is replicate 2, so I am selecting this one. It is one extra capacitor is there, you can see that here. This is extra capacitor, and extra capacitor is not available in any section, so that's why it is asking. Just leave it, just click OK. Now start placing it. You can see that one capacitor is remaining, that is C12. Just place it manually and route it. So this is how you can utilize module definition or replication of any particular section in any PCB.